But Dumelang guys, Dumelang and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing some sea moss gel. I'm not going to do a long intro guys, let's just get straight into it. Let's go. So what you're gonna need is some wild crafted sea moss. It's 75 grams guys now. And then you're gonna need your spring water. You're gonna need a lemon. So firstly you need to start by washing your sea moss at least 3 to 4 times guys, just to make sure that the dirt is all out. So we're still keeping it clean guys, we're still washing the sea moss, we're making sure the dirt is all out, you know. So yeah. After making sure that your sea moss is clean guys, you're gonna take a new bowl and then you're gonna add your spring water. You cut your lemon guys into 8 pieces, né? And then you're gonna squeeze out 4 into the spring water. This is where the lemon enters guys. I'm sure you guys have been asking yourself how, and then what's the lemon got to do with it? You guys know I love lemon guys. I mean, I eat lemon everywhere, like it enters. But yeah, moving forward guys, I have this bird flu, so yeah, anyway. So you transfer your clean sea moss into the bowl that has the spring water with lemon in it, and then you're gonna soak it for at least 20 to 26 hours. It depends on how long you wanna soak it. Really, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't affect anything. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, 26 hours later, I just took out my sea moss out the fridge. So I changed my bowl as I saw it growing. So I used this bowl and then I soaked it into the refrigerator for 26 hours. And look at the difference guys. Equally, the sea moss has grown, has changed. But yeah, so this is what it looks like 26 hours later, and I'm putting it into a blender so that I can make my gel. I am a 1 liter girl, so I have my 1 liter jug with spring water. I'm gonna add half first inside the blender so that I can see how it comes out, and then I'm gonna add more later. Stay tuned guys. So this is where you switch on your blend, and then you're gonna blend for 60 seconds and wait. So after adding the remainder of your water, this is the part where you decide what you want to add on your sea moss, just to give it some vavavoom, you know, because some people like flavor and I like it plain. But I've heard people complaining that they don't like it plain. It's something that they wouldn't eat at all, but I like it naturally and plain. So you can add anything that you feel like it can add some flavor to your sea moss, you know. You can even make a smoothie out of it. You can add your pineapple, you can add your banana, any fruit really, whatever you want to add, you know. Yeah, but I mean, I like it the way that it is. So after adding whatever that you want to add, you're going to switch on your blender for 30 seconds. So it's going to be 90 seconds in total. And then you're going to add your sea moss into your jars. Look at how beautiful it is, guys. Yo. So my jars are 500 milliliters. I have 3 of them, so I'm gonna add my gel inside, and then I'm gonna keep it refrigerated guys, because I love cold things. Even though I have the flu, I still love things that are cool, you know. So I'm gonna keep it refrigerated before I eat. And it also tastes good guys, it tastes good. But yeah, this is the end of the video guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to hit subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching guys. Until next time, thank you, bye.